Hello people and welcome to Shifting Gears and welcome the 2020 KTM 250 Adventure। अब ये KTM के पोर्टफोलियो में ब्रांड की सबसे सस्ती एडवेंचर मोटरसाइकिल है हियर इन द इंडियन मार्केट। बट इफ यू एंटर द KTM शोरूम्स एंड इफ यू आर ओपन टू क्रॉस शॉपिंग, अगर आप हुस्कवर्ना ब्रांड कंसिडर कर लेते हो, यू कैन ऑल्सो लुक एट दी स्वार्थपिलन 250, but that is a scrambler style motorcycle. This is their more adventure focused motorcycle. You can call this a sporty adventure tourer, not really an all out hardcore adventure motorcycle. अब इस बाइक की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹2,48,000 एक शोरूम हियर इन द इंडियन मार्केट। बट इफ यू हैव मोर मनी, if you want more power and if you want more electronic features on your day-to-day rides, you can consider that the KTM 390 Adventure. उस बाइक की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹3,04,000 एक्स शोरूम एंड यू गेट अ लॉट मोर इन टर्म्स ऑफ पावर एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ फीचर्स विच इज ईजिली जस्टिफाइड इन द आस्किंग प्राइस। इस वीडियो में हम फोकस करने वाले हैं अबाउट द डिजाइन एंड द डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस KTM 250 एडवेंचर। क्या है ऐसा खास और क्या है ऐसा अलग इस मोटरसाइकिल में, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू हॉप ऑन दिस बाइक and demonstrate if this is going to be comfortable for you and your body type because it has a tall saddle height। 855 मिलीमीटर की सीट हाइट है इस मोटरसाइकिल की, which is similar to the KTM 390 Adventure. So obviously this is not a bike for all until and unless you are open to tiptoeing and taking that risk। अभी अगर फाइनल डिटेल्स की बात करें तो ये जो KTM की 250 एडवेंचर है, इट शेयर्स अ लॉट ऑफ इट्स dimensions and numbers on paper with the 390 Adventure. So for example, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया 855 मिलीमीटर्स की सीट हाइट आपको मिल रही है on both the bikes, even on this 250 Adventure. बाइक का कर्ब वेट जो है it is 177 kgs, again similar to the KTM 390 Adventure. दोनों ही बाइक्स का व्हील बेस जो है it is 1430 millimeters and the ground clearance that you get on both the bikes is again the same at 200 millimeters. दोनों ही बाइक्स के साथ आपको एक 14.5 लीटर का फ्यूल टैंक मिल जाता है। बोथ द बाइक्स मेक यूज ऑफ अ 320 मिलीमीटर फ्रंट डिस्क ब्रेक एंड एट द बैक यू गेट अ 230 मिलीमीटर रेयर डिस्क ब्रेक एंड यू ऑफ कोर्स गेट ड्यूअल चैनल ABS विद ऑफ रोड ABS, यानी कि आप रेयर व्हील पे से ABS जो है वो टर्न ऑफ कर सकते हो इफ एट ऑल यू वांट। अब दोनों ही बाइक्स पे आपको WP Apex सस्पेंशन दिए गए हैं, यू कैन चेक इट आउट, एंड द सस्पेंशन ट्रैवल अगेन इज द सेम ऑन both the bikes at the front end and also at the rear। आपको पीछे भी एक WP मोनोशॉक सस्पेंशन दिया गया है on both the bikes, on the 250 Adventure and on the 390 Adventure। Both the bikes make use of a split trellis chassis and both the bikes look pretty much the same until and unless you come up close and look at the finer details। तो चलिए डिटेल्स के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। सबसे पहले तो जब आप इस KTM 250 Adventure को सामने से देख लेते हो, you are going to notice that the headlamp is not a full LED unit. You do get LED DRLs, but the primary headlamp is a standard yellow bulb. It is a halogen bulb setup. Now I don't know why this has been done, क्योंकि KTM की जो 250 Duke है, it is already coming out with the LED headlamp setup which you see on the 390 Duke as well. So this bike I think should have gotten a LED headlamp which could have just made the bike look and feel that much more premium। लेकिन उसके अलावा फ्रंट प्रोफाइल पे से जब आप इस बाइक को देखते हो, एवरीथिंग एल्स इज द सेम। यू गेट द सेम स्मॉल फ्लाई स्क्रीन विच इज एडजस्टेबल। इसको आप एक लेवल ऊपर या नीचे कर सकते हो। दिस राइट नाउ इज एट इट्स हाईएस्ट पोजिशन and then you can notice you have this small fairing around the headlamp cluster as well, and after that around here you have this applique as well। ये एप्लीक जो है अंदर के बार्स को कवर कर देता है वेरी नाइसली। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी नीट डिजाइन टच ऑन दिस KTM एडवेंचर रेंज ऑफ मोटरसाइकल्स। ये बार जो है इट होल्ड्स ऑन टू योर हेडलैम्प एंड द ओवरऑल हाउसिंग ऑफ द स्पीडोमीटर cluster and all of this at the front end of this motorcycle। Then you will notice that lower down on the front end on this motorcycle आपको alloy wheels ही मिल रहे हैं। You do not get spoke trims। This bike, the KTM 250 Adventure, comes shod with MRF tires। आप देख सकते हो you are getting MRF Mo Grip tires and they are also of the knobby type। So this is going to be slightly comfortable for your dual purpose rides, not completely off-road focused, but they can manage mild trail riding and these tires will not disappoint you compared to what power the bike has to offer। After that you will notice कि यहाँ पे मडगार्ड एरिया पे आपको एक रिफ्लेक्टर भी दिया गया है फॉर लैटरल विजिबिलिटी। दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी यूजफुल जब आप ये बाइक रात को चला लेते हो। द एलॉय व्हील्स एज यू कैन नोटिस आर फिनिश्ड इन ब्लैक। आपको कोई कॉन्ट्रास्ट रिम स्ट्राइप यहाँ पे देखने नहीं मिलेगी। Then looking at the engine area, यहाँ पे आपको similar looking crash bar दिया गया है, which is also seen on the KTM 390 Adventure. This is very well built and it is very sturdily positioned over here. तो अगर आप ये बाइक ड्रॉप भी कर लेते हो, your engine is going to be secure. You don't really have to get all that heavy equipment in terms of the bars that you get to protect your engine. KTM has done their R&D, KTM has done their research. So until and unless you want to make your bike look cool and want to add unnecessary weight with those bars for protection which your bike might not actually need, it is all up to you. You let us know in the comments if you prefer those aftermarket accessory bars for additional protection. After that, here you will notice you have this applique over here which has KTM branding written over here, and this encompasses and houses the radiator inside. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए radiator जो है it is of the curved design. You have a dual fan setup over here for optimum cooling efficiency so that the bike doesn't heat up very often जब आप इसे city में चला लेते हो. When you look at the engine area of this KTM 250 Adventure, you will notice it is the same typical KTM engine casing. You have this grey finish with Racing KTM written over here on the engine case, and you also have a underbelly cowl over here which is very strong. अब ये part जो है it is not really a hard metal piece but it is sturdy enough, और इसके नीचे जो है काफी bars position किए गए हैं which hold on to this particular panel over here, so your engine is going to be protected just in case if you are adventurous, you go and take a nice jump, or if you are riding over really bad trails, so your engine is decently protected. Of course, you can get a metal bash plate if you think you have got the skills to ride the bike that way. After that, come up close and notice this. आपको ये जो फुट पैक दिया गया है इस पे आपको ये टूथड पैटर्न दिया गया है. यू हैव अ रबर माउंट ओवर हियर ऑन द राइडर फुट पैक जिसे आप निकाल सकते हो अगर आप एडवेंचर राइडिंग के लिए चले जाते हो. यू हैव दिस ब्रेक लीवर विच अगेन गेट्स द सेम पैटर्न एंड दिस इज एडजस्टेबल एज वेल. तो आपके पैरों के हिसाब से, रीच के हिसाब से आप इसे आगे पीछे मूव कर सकते हो. यू हैव अ नाइस heel plate as well. It is not a metal piece but it is at least given over here, so it will help you position your feet nicely on this motorcycle. Now look at the chassis of this bike. इस बाइक के साथ जो आपको split trellis chassis मिल रही है, it is completely finished in black. आपको यहाँ पे कोई भी contrast paint देखने नहीं मिलेगा, and it is what it is, nothing fancy over here. And now when you look at the fuel tank of this motorcycle, आप देख लोगे कि यहाँ पे आपको matte finish तो जरूर मिल रही है, लेकिन ये जो tank shroud area है और ये जो applique है which you know runs still under the rider seat, यहाँ पे आपको gloss finish मिल रही है. The KTM 390 Adventure, as you can notice, that comes with a full matte paint scheme. This has that subtle dose of gloss which you know looks cool. Some people like it, some people might not. It is all subjective to personal taste. You let us know in the comments below if you prefer matte paint schemes or if you prefer a gloss paint scheme. Then you can also notice you have the same fuel filler cap, nothing extraordinary over here, typical KTM stuff. And then you get split seats on this KTM 250 Adventure. The rider seat is very generous. काफी जगह मिलने वाली है आपको to move around, to you know stay accommodated on this seat when you are going out on those long rides. और पिलियन के लिए भी ये जो सीट आपको दी गई है, this is also reasonably comfortable and there is decent amount of cushioning as well. आपको यहाँ पे हल्का सा texture भी देखने मिलेगा which is going to offer you that extra bit of grip when you go on trail rides with this KTM 250 Adventure. अगर पिलियन को थोड़ा डर लग रहा है, he or she can hold on to these pillion grab rails. They are very well built, they are in this matte finish and they are very easy to grab onto. और जब आपको बाइक को मूव करना है आप इन्हें ग्रैब करके उस चीज़ के लिए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. And at times if you drop the bike, these grab bars are also going to be very easy to help you pick the bike up and then start riding again. One thing that I don't like is that the gloss finish over here at the tail end, this I think can get easily scratched if the pillion wears a backpack or something like that. But again, that is subjective and that might be nitpicking to some. Exhaust जो है इस बाइक का आप देख सकते हो, it is the same looking end can like the KTM 390 Adventure. It has this metallic texture to it. It has a nice cover which you know covers up the bent pipe and it looks decent. And अगर आपको इसके एग्जॉस्ट साउंड के बारे में जानना है उसके लिए हमने एक अलग वीडियो अपलोड किया है, सो डू चेक इट आउट एंड यू नो यू विल गेट टू नो हाउ दिस बाइक साउंड्स. लुकिंग एट द रेयर व्हील यू विल नोटिस दैट इस बाइक पे आपको पीछे एलॉय व्हील्स ही मिल रहे हैं. ऑब्वियसली यू हैव दिस MRF Mo Grip टायर बट दिस इज अ 17-inch सेटअप. द फ्रंट व्हील इज अ 19-inch सेटअप. यहाँ पे आपको ड्यूअल चैनल ABS मिल रहा है. यू हैव द ब्रेक कैलिपर फ्रॉम Vibray. चेक आउट द रेयर स्विंग आर्म, typical KTM unit, and you have this adjustability to adjust the chain slack, of course. And then when you look at the bike from the left hand side, you will notice that इस KTM 250 Adventure के साथ आपको एक सारी गार्ड भी दिया गया है, very neatly integrated. इसे निकालना भी काफी आसान है. It is quite a heavy piece. I think it is going to reduce close to 2 to 3 kgs जब आप इसे निकाल लेते हो. So that is also some amount of weight reduction if you want your bike to go that little bit faster. अगर आप KTM की 390 Adventure और 250 Adventure को compare करते हो, since both the bikes weigh the same, when you ride the KTM 390 Adventure back to back with the KTM 250 Adventure, you are going to notice the performance gain and the difference in performance because of that weight. Looking at the tail end of this motorcycle, आप देख लीजिए, आपको LED tail lamps मिल जाते हैं with this KTM 250 Adventure, which are similar to the 390 Adventure. The illumination is quite nice and I really like how the bike looks when you look at it from the rear end. आपको LED turn indicators भी दिए गए हैं, but you do not get any hazard lamp functionality with this 250 Adventure. अगर आपको इस fender को निकाल देना है, you just have to unscrew these mounts, these bolts over here, and then you can get a tail tidy kind of an effect. Check it out on my 390 Adventure. I have removed that extra extension from the number plate housing area, and the bike looks pretty badass without that part over there. But then you are going to kick up a lot of dust and dirt on the riders who are following you, so it is not really ideal in all situations. Then over here on this KTM 250 Adventure, check it out, you have the same gear lever which bends as well. तो अगर आप ये बाइक ड्रॉप कर देते हो, your gear lever is not going to be completely broken, so you will still be able to ride your bike. And all of these things really make a lot of difference in your ownership cycle, क्योंकि कंपनी ने जब R&D करके आपको ये सभी चीज़ें ऑफर की हैं, these things will last, these things are built to last. On the left hand side you will also notice coolant box यहाँ पे दिया गया है. It is very easy to read the coolant level and यहीं से आपको उसे टॉप अप भी करना है. You have a key hole given over here अगर आपको सीट अनलॉक करनी है, और सीट के नीचे भी आपको ठीक ठाक जगह मिल जाती है if you carry some extra stuff. So let me open that up and show it to you. So check it out. यहाँ पे आप आपके बाइक के डॉक्यूमेंट्स रख सकते हो. You can store your tool kit and you also have the fuse box over here. और अगर आपको बैटरी रिप्लेस करनी है तो इस फ्रंट सीट के नीचे उसे पोजीशन किया गया है. Other finer details which are a little different on this motorcycle are the levers. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, आपको कोई एडजस्टमेंट नहीं मिल रही है, neither for the brake lever nor for the clutch lever. You do get that adjustment on the KTM 390 Adventure. And since you are looking at this side of the switch gear, यहाँ पे आपको कोई toggle controls नहीं दिए गए हैं, because this KTM 250 Adventure comes with a different speedometer cluster. This is unlike what you see on the 390 Adventure. So check this out. When you turn the ignition key on, this is how it starts up, and there is a decent amount of data shown to you. तो आपको एक digital tachometer मिल रहा है, you have a digital speedometer, you have 2 trip meters, and then you can notice that there is other warnings as well. So यहाँ पे आपको telltale lights तो मिल रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, आपको fuel range देखने मिलेगी. You can check out the total trip time. You have your average speed. You have your average fuel consumption. There are other details shared such as which ABS mode you have selected and if the side stand is on or not. और ये दो buttons आपको यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं. On the KTM 390 Adventure, you do not get these buttons. सभी चीज़ें आपको यहाँ पे जो controls के लिए toggle switches दिए गए हैं, उसका ही इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. But since this is a cost cut, cheaper adventure motorcycle here for the Indian market, the 250 Adventure doesn't get the color display unit that you see on the KTM 390 Adventure. इस बाइक के साथ आपको ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टिविटी भी नहीं मिलती है. You do not get turn-by-turn navigation, and of course, since you do not have Bluetooth, you do not get your call notifications as well. But the speedometer cluster is very easy to understand and read जब आप बाइक चला रहे हो. The one thing which I think could have been better is the brightness, क्योंकि जब आप broad daylight में ये बाइक चलाते हो, आपको थोड़े बहुत वहाँ पे reflections देखने मिलेंगे. You can also read the print that you have on your t-shirt at times, and I think that is something that you will have to make peace with. There is nothing that you can do about it. But otherwise, everything is just about okay. There is a shift light as well. तो अगर आपको आपके बाइक ने prompt करना चाहिए to upshift, you have that functionality. Also on the move to keep your equipment charged, यहाँ पे इस KTM 250 Adventure के साथ भी आपको एक चार्जिंग पॉइंट दिया गया है. When you are looking at this rider's point of view area, यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, आपको of course WP Apex suspension मिल रहे हैं with this KTM 250 Adventure, but they are non-adjustable. And then you will also notice that आपको इस बाइक के साथ भी knuckle guards दिए गए हैं. they are of the fiber type, they do not have any additional metal railing on the inside. तो अगर आपको extra protection चाहिए, you can get an aftermarket unit, but this does a decent job of at least protecting your hands from the wind when you're riding it out in the winters. The mirrors are again the same, typical of KTM units. Everything in terms of fit and finish is decent. आपको इस बाइक के साथ ज़्यादा complaints नहीं होने वाले हैं until and unless you compare it to the KTM 390 Adventure. Because for 50,000 rupees more, लोग ऐसे भी सोच सकते हैं अगर उनको लोन लेना है that it makes more sense to buy the KTM 390 Adventure. But then where this KTM 250 Adventure shines is inside the city. जब आप कोई भी बाइक खरीद लेते हो, your maximum amount of ownership time is spent inside the city. And the KTM 390 Adventure is not really happy inside the city. It just struggles to be happy inside the city. Whereas this KTM 250 Adventure, it is completely at home at slow speeds. तो इसके लिए हमने जो अलग से राइड वीडियोस अपलोड किए हैं, do check it out. You will get to know everything about how this bike performs. But now I am going to hop on the saddle of this motorcycle and let me show you if this bike is right for you. So first things first, मेरी height है 5 feet 8 inches and I am wearing riding boots. So when I have to sit on this KTM 250 Adventure, I can very simply swing a leg and then be positioned on the rider seat. लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इस बाइक का जो टेल सेक्शन है वो थोड़ा ऊंचा है, and if you think that this is going to be a bit of a struggle for you, if your riding pants are a little tight, you can simply use this bike to stand up and then hop on the saddle of this KTM 250 Adventure. This is also very very easy. काफ़ी सारे adventure motorcycle owners इसी तरीके से बैठ जाते हैं on their bikes because these bikes are on the taller side. The saddle height is on the higher side. अब मेरी height है 5 feet 8 inches and check this out. I'm just going to adjust my pants and I do not have both my feet flat on the ground even with riding boots. So check it out. I am not completely tiptoeing. I am comfortable on this bike to manage the bike's weight, but not completely flat footing. अगर मैं एक साइड से पूरी तरीके से flat feet बैठ जाता हूँ on this bike, my other leg is not going to be completely comfortable to touch the ground, to be flat on the ground. But if you have one feet very easily down on this motorcycle, the bike's weight is very easy to manage and the bike's balance is also pretty good. अब ये KTM की 250 Adventure एक एडवेंचर टूरर मोटरसाइकिल है. सो यू हैव दीज नाइस एंड वाइड हैंडल बार्स एंड चेक इट आउट, यू हैव अ वेरी नाइस एंड अपराइट राइडिंग पोजीशन. आप बिल्कुल भी आगे नहीं झुकते हो. यू डू नॉट हैव अ फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड राइडिंग पोजीशन. योर राइडर्स ट्रायंगल इज कंप्लीटली रिलैक्स्ड एंड कंप्लीटली अपराइट फॉर योर अपर बॉडी. तो लॉन्ग टूर्स के लिए आपको ये बाइक काफ़ी पसंद आने वाली है. यू विल नॉट बी टायर्ड ऑन सैडल ऑफ दिस मोटरसाइकिल. When you look at your feet positioning, थोड़ा रेयर सेट जरूर है ये फुट पैक and it does show the bike's sporty intent. And this also is a comfortable position for you to just tour on this bike effortlessly. अब KTM का claim है कि ये 250 Adventure it can ride over 400 kilometers with a full tank of fuel if you are easy with the throttle. And with this rider's triangle, I think you can do that with just maybe one stop. And this is a comfortable seating posture as well. तो यहाँ पे सीट पे आप देख लीजिए, there is a lot of room for me to move around. So if you are also on the heavier side, आपको फिर भी यहाँ पे काफ़ी जगह मिलने वाली है. And when you move behind, the pillion seat is left completely undisturbed. So the pillion also has enough room for him or her. So this KTM 250 Adventure is an easy motorcycle to accommodate too. Now when you want to stand up and ride this bike, जब आप इस बाइक को ट्रेल्स पे चला रहे हो, जब आपको ऑफ रोडिंग करनी है with this bike, check this out. When you stand up, this is how you are going to be. Another finer detail, जब आप ये बाइक स्टैंड अप राइड करना चाहते हो, you might have seen it in other videos on YouTube as well. ये जो फुट पैग है, it is slightly angled. तो जब आप यहाँ पे अपना पैर रख देते हो, so your feet positioning is going to try to push you to the forward end of the motorcycle. Now if you are taller than me, if you are taller than 5 feet 8 inches, आपको शायद से इस बाइक पे handlebar risers लग सकते हैं so that the handlebar is slightly higher and you are more comfortable when standing up and riding this bike out on the trails. But this entire stock setup on this KTM 250 Adventure, I think it is very very ideal. अगर आप ये बाइक खरीद लेते हो, you will be easily comfortable any kind of body type. If you're tall, if you're short, आप बाइक खरीद लीजिए. Just start riding it, get your learning curve completed, understand what the bike can do, understand what you can do, and then of course you can modify it to suit your riding requirements and your riding type and where you are going to ride of course. अब ये जो KTM की 250 Adventure है, इसके साथ आपको ऑफ रोड ABS मोड मिल जाता है, यानी कि आप रेयर व्हील पे से ABS डिसएंगेज कर सकते हो. and on the front wheel it will stay on, of course. And you can check it out, you get a radially mounted disc brake on this bike, and this is going to offer you decent amount of stopping power. But the thing is, जब आप इस बाइक को चला लेते हो back to back with the KTM 390 Adventure, if you compare it with that bike, the stopping power might feel a little inadequate on this 250 Adventure, all thanks to the tires that you get on the 390 Adventure, because those Metzelers help you get more grip while braking, and you will feel that your stopping distance is much better, much shorter on that bike than this bike, even though the hardware is still the same on both the bikes. So that's about it in terms of look and feel of this KTM 250 Adventure motorcycle compared to the KTM 390 Adventure. This is still a very good looking package. This is an attractive looking package if you are someone who likes adventure tourers, and I think KTM is offering it to us at the right price. Some people think that this is slightly overpriced because at one point of time the KTM 390 Duke used to cost just 2.1 lakh rupees here in the Indian market, and that was the on-road price. But of course things have changed. You have to add inflation, you have to add other price variations which have happened over the years, and for 3 lakh rupees on road, ये जो KTM की 250 Adventure है, it can do good enough trail riding. It can be ridden very comfortably and happily inside the city for your daily office commutes as well. So check out the other videos which we have of the KTM 250 Adventure on our YouTube channel. Let us know what you think about this bike. Let us know if you would prefer the KTM 390 Adventure over this 250 Adventure, and if you do not mind spending that extra bit of money. Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press the bell icon. Always guys, ride safe, always wear a helmet, follow the speed limits, and just enjoy your ride.